Okay, today we're going to put on a set of Powder Pros on this Polaris Pro. We're going to start out with our ski bottom, which is completely bare. It's not got a loop, no mounting bracket, or carbide. Okay, we're going to start out by putting the loop on the front of the ski. We'll start out with the loop itself and the 2 1/4-inch stainless steel screws. Now that we have that complete, we're going to take the other end and put it down over the carriage bolt that we installed earlier. You want to tighten that until it starts to deform the plastic on the loop. Now we're going to put the carbide on the bottom of the ski bottom. Only put the nut on the front of the carbide to begin with. Okay, now we're going to put the mounting bracket or saddle on the spindle of the sled. We want to make sure that tangs on the saddle are towards the rear of the sled. And then on the Pro, the rubber dampener has the large portion to the rear. Other models that may change, refer to your instructions. We will be torquing this to 25 to 28 foot-pounds. Now we're going to install the ski bottom assembly to the sled. We will need to torque this to 12 foot-pounds on the carbide nuts. And this completes our Powder Pro install.